Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the chapter number 3 exercise questions. So what you have to do is, with me you will fill the answers together. As I am answering here, you will also write down in your book. So here the first question it is asking, choose the correct answer. Here you have been provided with some of the options. You have to choose the correct answer. So here the first question, using word processor you can dash text. As you all know, there are various word processors. We can type in that, we can edit, anything we can do. Here the options are given here. A, type. B, edit. C, format. D, all of these. So you have to tell which is the correct answer from this. So word processor, with the use of word processor, I have already told you that we can type, edit, format, anything we can do. So type, edit, format, all these options are correct. So what you will do here, you will tick here and you will write here all this. Okay, type, edit, format, all of this. Here in this you will write type, T-Y-P-E, type, comma, format, F-O-R-M-A-T, format, and the last one it is edit. We can type also, we can format also, and we can edit in word processor. Second, it is asking, the term editing refers to the process of correcting, deleting or modifying the text. एडिटिंग का मतलब होता है एक ऐसा प्रोसेस जिसमें कि करेक्शन किया जाता है, डिलीट किया जाता है, मॉडिफाई किया जाता है टेक्स्ट को, दैट इज नोन एज द एडिटिंग. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर, एज यू कैन सी, एडिटिंग का मतलब ही होता है कि करेक्ट करना, डिलीट करना और मॉडिफाई करना. यहाँ पे आपका ब्लैंक छूट गया है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल अंडरलाइन दिस, करेक्टिंग, deleting or modifying, and here in this box you will take here all of these. Okay, once again I am telling you, editing का मतलब ही होता है एक ऐसा प्रोसेस जिसमें कि करेक्शन, डिलीट किया जा सके, मॉडिफाई किया जा सके टेक्स्ट को. दिस ऑल आर रिलेटेड विद द एडिटिंग. हियर blank has not been given, you have to underline here and you have to click on the you have to tick mark here in this D options, that is correcting, deleting, modifying. All this refers to the process of editing. So you will tick here. Next comes the third number, text can be deleted using dash keys. जो टेक्स्ट होता है उसे हम किस तरीके से डिलीट कर सकते हैं. Let's see the options. A, delete. B, backspace. C, both A and B. D, none of these. कोई भी टेक्स्ट है, as I have already told you how to delete that. So how we can delete it? By delete key also and with the backspace also. And so the option will be C. So you will tick here and you will write here using delete and backspace key. D-E-L-E-T, delete, and backspace key, B-A-C-K, back, space, S-P-A-C-E, backspace. Okay. Fourth number, we can open a document using dash shortcut keys. अगर हम लोग को कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट को ओपन करना है, देखना है उसमें, then which key we can use, which shortcut key we have to use? The shortcut key to open a document. Let us see the options first. A, CTRL plus N. B, CTRL plus B. C, CTRL plus O. D, all of these. So what is the answer here? Open करना है. So here the first alphabet is here O. So which is the shortcut key? Yes, C. That is CTRL plus O. So you will tick here and you will write here CTRL plus O. Fifth number, we can create a new document using dash shortcut keys. अगर एक नया डॉक्यूमेंट बनाना है तो हम लोग उसे किस तरीके से बना सकते हैं. For that also we want the shortcut key. Let us see the options here. A. CTRL plus N. B. CTRL plus B. C. CTRL plus O. D. CTRL plus S. So what is the shortcut key to create a new document? Yes, CTRL plus N. As you can see it here, the first alphabet here it is N. So the shortcut key is CTRL plus N. So you will write it down here, CTRL plus N. Now we are going to move on to the fill in the blanks. Here some of the options are given to you. Accordingly, we have to fill the blanks. First one here, the dash shortcut key is used for saving a document. As already I have told you how to learn all these shortcut keys. So, what is the shortcut key to save a document? First alphabet, as you can see it here, it is S. So, what is the shortcut key? Yes, CTRL plus S. So, you will mark it here 1 and we will write here CTRL plus S. Now, we are going to move on to the second one. The dash displays the current status of a document. यानी जो करंट स्टेटस होता है हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट का, यानी उस पर हम क्या वर्क कर रहे हैं, कितने पेजेस हैं, दिस ऑल विच बार टेल्स, यस, स्टेटस बार. सो यू विल मार्क इट हियर एज 2 एंड यू विल राइट इट डाउन हियर स्टेटस बार, STATUS, स्टेटस BAR, status bar. Third number, the dash area is used to create the document. ऐसा कौन सा एरिया है जिसकी हेल्प से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, क्रिएट कर सकते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट को. सो व्हाट इज दैट एरिया? डॉक्यूमेंट. सो यू विल राइट इट डाउन हियर थर्ड नंबर एंड यू विल राइट हियर डॉक्यूमेंट, DOCUMENT, document. Fourth number, in a word processor, dash the text means modifying the text. As already I have told you कि modify करना, edit करना या type करना किसके अंदर आता है? In which what it tells? Editing. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Editing. So you will write it down here fourth number and you will write here editing, EDITING, editing. Last one in this, fifth one, CTRL plus O is the shortcut key to dash or document. As here the alphabet is O, तो ये कौन सा है shortcut key, किस चीज का है ये? Open. So you will write it on here for fifth number and you will write here to open a document. Now E question, write the shortcut keys for the following. Now what you have to do is you will do it by yourself. This portion you will do it by yourself. As already I have told you, creating a new document, the first alphabet here it is N. Selecting an entire document, यानी पूरे document को ही क्या करना है, select करना है. You have to select a character to the right. Fourth number, you have to select a character to the left. So which shortcut key you will use in this all, you will write it down by yourself. As I have told you all the shortcut keys which are related with this. Now you will do it by yourself this section. E question number, only 4 questions are there. And learn this all the exercise questions and fill it in your book also. That's all for today. Thank you.